Okay, hello. It's my first video ever. I'm gonna do a little trade recap of today. What's today, bro? Today's November 20th. Just a little trade recap today. I made $600, $680 on my funded. Yesterday I took a payout, pretty decent amount. Yesterday I took a payout. Today I just made $680 in like 2 minutes. I should have made more, but it's all good though. Follow my rules. Okay, so first. Let's go. So before we went to market open, around like 4 a.m., I already marked out like my highs and stuff. So around this time, I had marked out previous day highs and any type of drawn liquidity, any type of highs. I mean, sorry. So I marked out previous day highs and it was already swept. Like for example, right here, this is where I marked out this and it was already swept. I mean, it fucking went up during pre-market, right? During London. So, you know, I expected a little bit. I expected shorts today, a little bit of shorts, right? And so that was basically my bias because previous day highs were swept, right? Previous day highs were swept, and so my bias was bearish for today, right? And then I went to the 1 hour. God damn, see that shit? I went to the hourly and I just marked out any type of highs. Like I marked these out earlier, but like I said, it's previous day highs. I already deleted it. Um, yeah, so I marked out previous day highs. Fuck. Marked up previous day highs. And then let's see, let's play this out. Yeah. So I just try to mark out any type of London low, London high that I could see. Like this, for example, I marked out this London low. Yeah, that's my sell side liquidity. Either I think at this, let's see, keep going. Someone's at market open, bro. It's really like I don't know, bro. It's really choppy. I don't like talking about price action like that. Like, oh, price action was so ass. Like, I don't like talking about that. Like it's really annoying, but like honestly, like look at this. Look at this opened. It's just a bunch of fucking wicks, bro. Like what? Anyways, so like for a couple minutes, for like the first hour and a half, it was like really fucking choppy. So I just marked out any type of like liquidity, resting liquidity like this low, this New York low, London low. I think I marked this out too. I think this was like previous day highs. Previous day highs were swept right here. It's like right here, yeah. And I did expect a reversal, and it did. But look at it. Look at this. Hold up. I expected a reversal exactly right here, but look what happened, bro. This is just choppy, choppy, and choppy. And then I got no entry, but it went down. But yeah, you can see. I think it hit like a 5 minute gap right here, or it just like reversed right here. Yeah, right there. And started going back up. And then right here, I had marked this high as my buy side liquidity. As you guys know, if you guys are familiar with buy side liquidity, you know, what happens if buy side liquidity is swept. So after right here, I just marked this out. Like hopefully, like buy side liquidity gets swept, and then after that, mark out my SMT, and then enter off that Ferrari inverse. Enter off that inverse. And I was right here. I was like very fucking happy. It's like, oh shit, I'm expecting a reversal right here. So here we see I marked out my buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity was swept, and then we see SMT at the highs, right? SMT at the highs, and right here, honestly, I did expect it to go all the way down, but I just wicked into this for rally gap, and then you'll see wicked into that for rally gap, went down, choppy, big ass wicks, and then it went down, and then I check back, sorry, and then right here, I was really excited. I entered right here exactly. You see. It's not showing, but I did enter off of that. Um, I entered off of that shit, and then I was targeting this liquidity, but also remember I marked my sell side liquidity all the way down here, and those were my drawn liquidity. Those were really easy, like really really easy targets. But I don't know, bro. I don't. I have no reason. I don't fucking know why I didn't put my TP all the way down here. Uh, but it's all good though. I'm still made money. I'm happy. As you can see, right there, I was filled. My TP was hit, and then price evaporated down. I mean, look at that shit. TP were all hit, and it went all the way down to previous day lows. Like, it's like crazy. But again, so yeah, I mean that's really it. I made 600. I did record me doing it, but I didn't really like the angles I was in, so I deleted that shit, bro. Anyways, trade recap. Hopefully this made sense for you guys. Uh, alright, man. I love you, people. Bye, man.